Hello everyone, I'm Sandhya. We are going to demonstrate Zira tool. We chose Zira tool because it manages, helps, tracks project efficiently using agile methods. So the first step is to create a project. So there are two types of projects, Scrum and Kanban. Here we chose Scrum because Scrum has better project planning, faster progress tracking, and fixed time. Let me explain list tab first. Here, list tab is the place where you store all your tasks in a project in a tabular form. So the first thing in writing or in entering a list is you have to know the type of it. So there are four types, where epic is like a big module. Here epic is like a big module, task is just the normal work we do, bug is a problem we find and to fix it, we need to fix it, while story is like a small user feature. So according to this we are gonna categorize the task. Next comes the key. Key is uniquely generated by Jira for each task, like HM1, HM2, HM4 here. So this is completely taken care by the Jira tool itself. This is the name of the tool. And status, there are three status, which is done, to do, and in progress. This tells the status of that particular task. While the next thing is comment. If you have any comment about that particular task, you can store it there. Next, the assignee tab. The assignee tab is the person responsible for completing that particular task. So for front end development, let's say it's Sandhya, it's me, I'm responsible to complete that particular task. And due date. Due date is the last date for that last date assigned for that particular task to be done. Next we have created, updated, and reporter column. So this is all about the list column. This is all about the list tab. So let me go and tell about timeline. Here timeline, this plays a vital role in the Jira tool. The timeline in Jira shows all project tasks in a visual schedule format like Gantt chart. It helps us see when each task starts, ends, and how they are connected together. So this is the timeline view. It shows all project from start to finish in a line format. Each bar represents a task. So here notification and alert setup is a bar, which is a task. So, and you can easily see the duration of each task, who's working on it, and how they depend on each other. This helps us track progress and make sure we complete everything on time. So here if you're seeing, the start date time for this particular task is 25th September, while end date is 13th October. So you can clearly see the start date, end date, and also here is the dependency thing. You can, if some tasks are connected to each other, so you can add a dependency between them, or you can just take it if you don't wanted it to be. And you can also search the particular timeline whatever you need. So let me search doctor. um, yeah, so this is how you search and find it out. Now here you can see all the tasks listed in this particular timeline, and also you can categorize it or take it according to your need. In progress, only user training and documentation is there. You can also see its starting time and ending time. So, and also you can see whatever task is taken by Tina. Here two tasks are are assigned to Tina, which has to be done. So this is how this timeline works. You can also this is in quarters actually, in month, and also weekly. You can change it according to your timeline preferences. Now the next tab is all work. It shows the complete list of all the tasks created for our hospital management project. So including who's doing them, their progress, and the priority for each and every task. This helps our team quickly check who's working on what and which parts of the project are finished. So this is where you can see all the tasks together, and you can also see who's assigned to which task. So here Tina is assigned to all these tasks, and you can also see through the, you can also categorize it to the task thing, or you can also see the status of it. Here according to your preference you can add and categorize the task according to your preference. So this is all about the all work tab. Now let me move on to the form tab. So this tab here, you can see you can create a new form. So this tab is particularly for, its major purpose is to collect details from users or team members in a simple way. Like for example, if someone wants to request a new feature, or if they wanted to report a bug, or like if they wanted to raise a issue in our hospital management system, they don't need to go make a task in the list. They can just fill this form. Like for example, I can create a form called new appointment request. Okay, so when the hospital staff member fills it, the Zira will automatically create a new issue under our project, like HM16, that unique value. It will give the unique value, and it will say, it will just upload those into the list bar. So this is the main work of forms. Finally, let me explain about summary field. Summary field is where we give a short and clear title for each task. So here 8 completed. You can see all the updated, or all these dues are gonna be soon. So we have to complete. We have to focus on these tasks first. These are the completed tasks. These are recently updated things. So here in this particular visual we can see 8, which means 8 of the task in overall 16 is done, and it's 47% of the work is done, while 5 of the tasks are in to-do list, which is 29% of the overall work, and 4 are in progress, which is 24% we have to do, or we are doing right now. Similarly, you can also we can also see there is a priority breakdown chart, and also team workload, which is how much work each and every what is that each and every people done, every team member has done. So all the categories are visually represented in different graphical forms in this particular summary tab. Types of work. So epic tasks are 56%, while task is only 22%. We don't have much of bug story or subtask task here. We didn't categorize it. So this is how all these task bars work. Thank you.